Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. Now in this video I am going to show you how to fix wide spacing between words in Google Docs. Let's get started. At first you have to open your Chrome browser, then open your Google Docs app. Then go to the text and select the text. Then go to the align menu. Here you can see here are justify. Now select left align. Now I am again do this. Firstly select the text, go to the align option and select left align. Now here we can see fix wide spacing between words in Google Docs very easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.